This was the mood during the 5th anniversary of a promulgation of a constitution in Gusii Stadium, Kisii County. It is at this celebrations that the chair of the commission, Charles Nyachae, had the podium to speak, and he appeared to be a man on a mission. His passionate appeal appearing to be a little bit self-seeking or nationalistic, you being the judge. The 5-year period in which the commission was supposed to oversee the implementation of a 2010 constitution is expiring, and the warning by Nyachae was to safeguard the gains in this constitution, stay awake after we leave office. Nyachae charged that Kenyans would be placed with high responsibilities of being vigilant if Parliament fails to extend the term.
Where we are at today, we are 4 months away from the end of the term of CIC. So I really don't think we are talking about an extension. I think now what we should be talking about is how the work that CIC has been doing will be carried on going forward. I don't think, I mean, it's a prerogative of Parliament, but I don't think at this late stage that an extension to the term of CIC is really a realistic option.
But in case that would not happen, Nyachae says the Attorney General and other constitutional bodies will have to play their role as per the Constitution. According to Nyachae, Parliament has a duty to decide who will midwife legislation whose time they extended beyond the August 27, 2015 deadline in the absence of a CIC.
Parliament has a responsibility to ensure that the laws that are passed are laws that are consistent with the Constitution, are laws that are for the benefit of the people of Kenya.
On pending court cases, including on the CDF bill, where the commission was party to, he observed the Attorney General will be in the driver's seat to ensure its alignment to the Constitution.
Unless Parliament legislates otherwise, I would expect that the Attorney General would take over the cases where CIC has been a party in the courts and prosecute those cases to their logical conclusion for the benefit of the people of Kenya.
5 years and 3 years after the official transition period is coming to a close, I am disappointed that a lot of functions remain at the national government, and the national government and the national parliament is busy passing legislations to retain those functions forever.
Meanwhile, the Orange Democratic Movement has slammed the pace of a constitutional implementation under the Jubilee government, saying the regime was not committed to constitutionalism. ODM chairperson John Mbadi charged that Kenya would have gained a lot in the 3 years Jubilee has been in power if a constitution was fully implemented.
There were so many enemies of this constitution, but the forces for overwhelmed the forces against. And so we gave ourselves the constitution. However, this constitution has faced challenges that those who mean well for this country must stand up and fight these challenges, because they are caused by the very opponents of the constitution.
Thursday marks exactly 5 years since Kenyans hopeful of a new start stood in their numbers at Uhuru Park to usher in a new constitutional order that has forever changed the country's governance structure.